Emerson and welcome to WEMS.
Today is Friday, October 6th.
I'm Senora Zaski. I teach 7th and 8th grade Spanish here at Emerson.
I'm Senora Clark and I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade Spanish at Emerson.
I'm Senora Gregory and I teach 6th and 7th grade Spanish here at Emerson.
The terms Hispanic and Latino are both used interchangeably, but they actually have very different meanings.
Hispanic refers to individuals with Spanish-speaking roots or those from Spanish-speaking countries. Latino encompasses people from Latin American countries.
There are 20 Hispanic countries in Puerto Rico, making a total of 21 countries and territories included in Hispanic Heritage Month. Hasta luego!
Hasta luego!
Students, please stand and face the flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Students, please be seated for 15 seconds of silence.
Welcome back to another Geo-Weather Wiz segment. Looks like this fall has finally hit, with the temperatures this weekend being in the high 50s, and it will only go down from now on. Today might be your last nice day of the year, so enjoy it. Anyway, moving on to a historical question. When was DC, our capital, or the District of Columbia, first established? Was it A, 1780, B, 1790, C, 1800, or D, 1810? And the answer was B, 1790, specifically July 16th, 1790. 8th grade is taking a field trip to DC this weekend. Have a fun time, even if it does rain. Well, that wraps up this week's Geo-Weather Wiz segment, and I will see you all next week for another question and your weekly weather report.
Way to go, Wookiees! First place attendance!
If you're interested in trying out for the 7th or 8th grade boys basketball tryouts, check your email and there will be an email from either Coach Shower or Coach Florence. If you have any questions, head down to the gym and ask Mr. Shower about the tryouts. See you there.
October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
These are our pretty pockets that we made in sewing class. Discreet and spirited way to secure post-surgical drains.
Hey, are you guys going to show choir this Friday?
There's no after-school bus today.
Actually, there's no after-school bus every Friday with a 3-day weekend.
Well, that's good to know. Thanks!
You going to the Boo Bash coming up?
I was thinking about it. When is it?
It's October 13th.
Ooh, cool. Are there any rules for costumes?
Yeah, there are actually a couple different rules. So first, to make sure that your costume is school appropriate. In addition to that, make sure that you have no masks, no face paint, and no costume makeup. You need to wear a costume that comes easily over your clothes, and make sure you have no weapons with your costume as well.
Oh, nice. Maybe you can help me out with my costume since you already have yours.
What costume? By the way, you should spit out your gum. Throw it in the garbage, guy.
Okay.
$2 hot dog, $1 water. $2 hot dog, $1 water. $2 hot dog, $1 water.
Together we are Emerson!